Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Hasham. So now I am going to start the problems on current cost accounting. This is the second method of accounting for price level changes. Till the last video I have completed 25 problems on CPP method, current purchasing power method. There are two methods in accounting for price level changes, that is CPP and CCA. So already 25 problems. Hope my regular viewers have already watched those problems, got the command on the concept of accounting for price level changes and the methods of solving the problem. So how to convert the historical accounts, financial statements into this inflation accounting system or accounting for price level changes. So if you have not watched those earlier videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject Advanced Corporate Accounting. In that subject, select the video Accounting for Price Level Changes. Watch those videos, then only you can be able to understand now. So before starting the problems on CCA, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So take a printout, hard copy and keep it ready before start watching the problems on CCA method. First problem I am reading out. Prepare a statement showing the amount of depreciation under current cost accounting CCA method for each of the 4 years as well as the backlog depreciation for a certain item of an asset from the following details. So in this problem, we have to find out the depreciation adjustment and backlog depreciation. We have to calculate the depreciation according to CCA method. The data given for the asset, cost of the machine 50,000, estimated life 4 years, residual value nil. Then inflation factor 10% per annum. Assume straight line method of depreciation. That's it. So cost of the asset 50,000, life 4 years, no residual value, and inflation factor. That means the prices are increasing by 10%. So here also the value of the asset will increase 10% every year. So we are required to calculate the depreciation according to CCA method, adjustment, depreciation adjustment and backlog depreciation. These are the things we have to find out. Now see the solution carefully. First table I am making for calculating depreciation as per CCA. Calculation of depreciation as per CCA. First year, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 year is the life given in the problem. Then historic cost. The historical cost of the machine is given in the problem 50,000. So 50,000 historical cost. Now current cost beginning of the year. Now we are finding out the current cost of the machine by considering the inflation factor. Inflation factor is 10%. Every year prices are increasing by 10%. The value of the machine will also increase by 10%. The beginning of the year, the value of the machine is 50,000. End of the year, the value will increase by 10%. So 50,000 into 10%, 5,000. Increase by 5,000. So 50,000 plus 5,000, 55,000. The current cost at the end of the year. Current cost at the beginning of the first year, 50,000. End of the first year, the value of the machine will become 55,000 because 10% increase due to inflation. Now second year closing balance will become, first year closing balance will become second year opening balance. The first year end of the year is 55,000. This will become opening balance for second year. So second year you take 55,000. Now we are in second year. Again at the end of second year, 10% increased. So 55,000 into 10%, 5,500. Add up 5,500. 55,000 plus 5,500, you will get 60,500. So 60,500 is the closing value, end of the year, second year end. The value of the machine is 60,500. Now second year closing will become third year opening. So this 60,500 will become beginning balance for the third year. Again third year increase by 10%. So 60,500 into 10%. Then add up. You will get 66,550. 66,550 is the closing value of the machine at the end of third year. And this will become opening balance for fourth year. So 66,550 fourth year. Again increase by 10%. 66,550 into 10%. Then add up. You will get 73,205. So we have calculated the current cost of the machine at the end of the year. At the end of the year. Right? Now average cost. Average means opening plus closing divided by 2. Then the current cost at the beginning plus current cost at the end divided by 2. What is the current cost at the beginning? 50,000. End of the year, 55,000. Add up 50,000 plus 55,000 divided by 2. You will get 52,500. This is the average cost. Similarly, 55,000 plus 60,500 divided by 2. You will get average 57,750. Then 60,500 plus 66,550 divided by 2. You will get 63,520. Then 66,550 plus 73,205 divided by 2. You will get 69,878. We got the average cost. Now, depreciation as per historical cost method. Historical cost is how much? 50,000. We are following straight line method of depreciation given in the problem. Straight line method of depreciation means cost divided by life. What is the cost of the machine? 50,000. How much is the life? 4 years. So 50,000 divided by 4, you will get 12,500. So every year 12,500 is the depreciation as per HCA, historical cost accounting. It will remain fixed. Now depreciation as per CCA, current cost accounting. So we will take the average cost. What is the average cost in the first year? 52,500. This is the average cost of the machine for the first year. Now divide by 4. 52,500 divided by 4, you will get 13,125. This is the depreciation as per CCA. Similarly, average cost for second year, 57,750 divided by 4, you will get 14,438. 63,525 divided by 4, 15,881. 69,878 divided by 4, you will get 17,470. This is the depreciation as per CCA. So we have calculated depreciation as per HCA and depreciation as per CCA. Now additional depreciation adjustment. Every year we have to adjust for depreciation regarding the extra depreciation to be provided according to CCA. According to HCA, every year depreciation is same. But according to CCA, the depreciation is increasing every year because of inflation. Because of inflation, the value of the machine is increasing. When the value of machine increases, the depreciation will also increase. Now, depreciation adjustment means depreciation as per CCA minus depreciation as per HCA. So 13,125 minus 12,500, you will get 625. 14,438 minus 12,500, 1938. 15,881 minus 12,500, 3381. 17,470 minus 12,500, 4970. That's all. So in this table we have calculated how much is the depreciation as per CCA and how much is the depreciation adjustment. That's it. Now second table we'll make to find out the backlog depreciation, additional depreciation and WDV at the end of the year. These three things we are going to calculate in the second table. Year, same, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 years is the life. Now current cost at the end of the year. The current cost of the machine at the end of the year. Already we have calculated in the first table. Current cost end of the year. What is the current cost at the end of the year? 55, 6,500, 66,550, 73,205. Copy it down these values here. These are the current cost at the end of the year. Now next thing, cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Now here you concentrate because new point is there. How to find out the cumulative? Cumulative means total. For example, second year cumulative depreciation means first year plus second year. Third year cumulative depreciation means first year, second year, third year. Fourth year cumulative means first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. How to find out? Here I have given the calculations. 13,750. How we got it? Here explanation again. What is the current cost at the end of the year? 55,000. 55,000. What is the life of the machine? 4 years. So 55,000 divided by 4 into 1. Into 1 because we are in the first year only. So 13,750 is the cumulative depreciation at the end of the first year. Now second year. Now second year will take the cumulative for 2 years. For 2 years. So 60,500 divided by 4 into 2. 60,500 divided by 4. You will get per annum. But we want for 2 years. So multiplied by 2. So 60,500 divided by 4 into 2. 30,250 is the cumulative depreciation for the second year. Now we need cumulative depreciation for third year. So what is the current cost of third year? 66,550 divided by 4 into 3. Divided by 4 into 3. Here 66,550 divided by 4 into 3. 49,930. Last year 73,205 divided by 4 into 4. 73,205 divided by 4 into 4. You will get 73,205. So be careful regarding this cumulative depreciation. Again I repeat, first year 55,000 divided by 4 into 1 because first year 13,750. Then 60,500 divided by 4 into 2 because cumulative we want 2 years 30,250. 66,550 divided by 4 into 3. You will get cumulative depreciation of 3 years. Similarly 73,205 divided by 4 into 4. You will get 73,205. This is the cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Now cumulative depreciation at the beginning of the year. First year closing will become second year beginning. First of all, beginning depreciation at the end of first year. First year beginning, we don't have any depreciation. Depreciation will start at the end of the year. Beginning of the year, depreciation will not be there. So beginning of first year, put a dash. At the beginning of second year beginning is first year ending. First year ending will become second year beginning. So first year ending, how much depreciation? 13,750 is the end of the year, first year end. This will become second year beginning. Here 13,750. Then second year ending will become third year beginning. So 30,250 third year beginning. And the third year ending will become fourth year beginning. So 49,913, 49,913. That's it. Now current depreciation as per CCA. Current depreciation as per CCA, here you have calculated. Depreciation as per CCA, 13,125, 14,438, 15,881, 17,470. Same I have copied, current year CCA. Now ultimately we have to find out these three columns. What are the three columns? Backlog depreciation, additional depreciation at the end, and WDV at the end of the year. These three things we have to calculate. First, backlog depreciation. The formula for backlog depreciation you can see here. Backlog depreciation is equal to depreciation for the year on the base of current cost minus cumulative depreciation provided at the end of last year. This formula you have to remember for backlog depreciation. So depreciation for the year on the basis of current cost. And one point you remember, backlog depreciation will not be there for the first year because before first year there is no depreciation. So backlog depreciation will arise only from the second year onwards. Second year onwards we will have the backlog depreciation. The first year backlog depreciation nil. Second year backlog depreciation we calculate. Depreciation for the year on the basis of current cost. So second year, what is the current cost? Current cost at the end of the year 60,500. So 60,500 divided by 4 into 1. Into 1. So 60,500 divided by 4 into 1 minus 13,750. 13,750 is the cumulative depreciation at the end of the last year. Last year means first year. First year, what is the cumulative depreciation here? 13,750. This you deduct. So 60,500 divided by 4 into 1. Into 1. Don't take 2. Into 1. Then minus 13,750. So you will get 1375. So 1375 is the backlog depreciation for second year. Backlog depreciation for second year. Now third year. Third year, what is the current cost? 66,550. So 66,550 divided by 4 into 2. 66,550 divided by 4 into 2 minus what is the cumulative depreciation beginning last year? 30,250 minus 30,250. You will get 3025. 3025 is the backlog depreciation for third year. Now fourth year. Fourth year, what is the current cost value? 73,205. So 73,205 divided by 4 into 3. Into 3 minus previous year's cumulative depreciation 49,913. Subtract 49,913, 4991. So we got the backlog depreciation. First year always will be 0. Second year 1375, 3025, 4991. Here I have calculated. Next thing is additional depreciation. The formula for additional depreciation: depreciation as per current cost at the end minus depreciation as per CCA. Here the formula is there. Depreciation as per current cost at the end minus depreciation as per CCA. Depreciation as per CCA already you have calculated here. Current cost depreciation as per CCA, already all the values you have. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Now depreciation as per current cost. Current cost is here. So divide by 4. 55,000 divided by 4. You will get current cost depreciation. 60,500 divided by 4. 66,550 divided by 4. 73,205 divided by 4. This is the depreciation, current cost depreciation. So current cost depreciation minus depreciation as per CCA will get the additional depreciation. So 625, 687, 757, 831. Last one, WDV at the end of the year. This easily we can find out. WDV at the end of the year means the current cost of each year minus cumulative depreciation at the end of each year. So WDV at the end of the year, current cost at the end of the year minus cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Here current cost at the end of the year, cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Both the columns we have. Simply subtract. 55,000 minus 13,750, 41,250. 60,500 minus 30,250, 30,250. 66,550 minus 49,913, 16,637. 73,205 minus 73,205, nil. That's it. This is the complete problem number 1 regarding depreciation as per CCA and backlog depreciation. That's it. So this is the end of very first problem on CCA, current cost accounting. Come on, see the second problem. Second problem you see carefully. Calculate the amount of depreciation under current cost accounting CCA method for each of the 4 years as well as backlog depreciation for a certain item of asset from the following data. Cost of the machine 40,000 and estimated life 4 years. Residual value nil. Inflation factor 10% per annum. That means every year the value of machine will increase by 10%. Assume straight line method of depreciation. So the second problem is exactly similar to the first problem, only the figure is changed. Previous problem, the cost of the machine was 50,000. Now the cost of the machine is 40,000. The life is same 4 years and the inflation factor is also same 10% straight line method. So everything remains same, only the cost of the machine is changed. We have to calculate the depreciation as per CCA and also we have to calculate the backlog depreciation. Exactly same. So calculation of depreciation as per CCA. Year 1, 2, 3, 4 historical cost. Historical cost is given in the problem 40,000. 40,000. Now current cost beginning of the year and current cost end of the year. First of all, every year the value of the machine is increasing by 10% because inflation is there. On account of inflation, the value of machine will increase. So at the beginning of the first year, the value of the machine was 40,000. At the end of first year, the value will increase by 10%. So 40,000 into 10%, 4,000. Increase by 4,000, it will be 44,000. Now, the end of first year will become beginning of the second year. The closing balance of first year will become opening balance of the second year. So this 44,000 will become beginning of the next year. Now, at the end of second year, again 10% increase, 44,000 into 10%. Add up. you will get 48,400. This is the closing value of machine at the end of second year. Now second year closing will become third year opening. So third year opening 48,400. Again increase by 10%. 10% of this amount. Increase it. You will get 53,240. This is the closing value of third year. Now this will become opening value of the fourth year. 53,240. Again increase by 10%. At the end of fourth year it will be 58,564. So we have calculated the current cost of the machine at the beginning and at the end. Now we calculate the average cost. Average cost means opening plus closing divided by 2. So what is the beginning of the year? 40,000. End of the year 44,000. So 40,000 plus 44,000 divided by 2. You will get average 42,000. Similarly 44,000 plus 48,400 divided by 2. You will get 46,200. 48,400 plus 53,240 divided by 2. 50,820. 53,240 plus 58,564 divided by 2, you will get 55,902. This is the average cost. Average cost of the machine. Now depreciation as per historical cost. According to historical cost, the historical cost of the machine divided by life. The cost of the machine is 40,000. Life of the machine is 4 years. So 40,000 divided by 4, 10,000 is the depreciation as per HCA. Historical cost accounting, annual depreciation 10,000 constant. Now depreciation as per CCA, current cost accounting. So we calculate the average cost. Already we have calculated the average cost. 42,000 divided by 4 years. 42,000 divided by 4, you will get 10,500. 46,200 divided by 4, you will get 11,550. 50,820 divided by 4, 12,705. 55,902 divided by 4, 13,976. This is the depreciation as per CCA. That's what we have to calculate here. We have calculated depreciation as per CCA. Now depreciation adjustment. Every year we have to adjust the excess depreciation which is provided according to CCA. In CCA, depreciation will be more compared to depreciation as per HCA. Because in historical cost accounting, depreciation will be calculated on the original cost, 10,000. Whereas in case of CCA, depreciation is calculated on the current cost, not the historical cost. And current cost is increasing year by year on account of inflation. So depreciation adjustment is equal to depreciation as per CCA minus depreciation as per HCA. 10,500 minus 10,500. 11,550 minus 10,000, 1,550. 12,705 minus 10,000, 2,705. 13,976 minus 10,000, 3,976. Over. The first table we have prepared in order to find out depreciation as per CCA and a depreciation adjustment. That's all. Second table we are making for calculating backlog depreciation, additional depreciation and WDV at the end of the year. Right? Now, calculation of backlog depreciation. Year 1, 2, 3, 4. Current cost at the end of the year. At the end of the year, what are the current cost of the machine? At the end of first year, second year. Already we have calculated here. See here, current cost end of the year. The current cost of the machine at the end of the year 44, 48, 400, 53, 240, 58, 564. Same four values I have copied down here. This is the current cost at the end of the year. Now cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. This we have to calculate in working notes. Cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Now first year. First year, what is the current cost? 44,000. So 44,000 divided by 4 into 1. Only first year. Because we are accumulating, we are adding. So when we are adding, first year depreciation will remain same. So 44,000 divided by 4 into 1, 11,000. 11,000 is the cumulative depreciation for the first year. Now second year cumulative depreciation. What is the current cost for the second year? 48,400. So 48,400 divided by 4 into 2. Divided by 4 into 2. Here I have written 48,400 divided by 4 into 2. 24,200. Because cumulative I am calculating. Cumulative means total. First year, second year. So 48,400 divided by 4 into 2. 24,200. उसी तरह 53,240. 53,240 divided by 4 into 3. 53,240 divided by 4 into 3. You will get 39,930. This is the cumulative depreciation. Now 54,564 divided by 4 into 4. You will get same amount, 54,564. This is the cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Now cumulative depreciation, the beginning of the year, the end of the year first depreciation become beginning for the next year. First year closing will become second year beginning. So cumulative depreciation beginning of the year, first beginning of the year dash. No depreciation at the beginning of the first year. Depreciation will arise at the end of first year. So beginning of first year we don't have any depreciation. Now second year. Beginning of second year is the ending of the first year. Ending of first year will become beginning of the second year. What is the ending depreciation here? 11,000. This 11,000 is the ending of first year. Automatically will become beginning of the second year. Then second year end will become third year beginning. Third year end will become fourth year beginning. Same depreciation. 11,000, 24,200, 39,930. Over. Now current depreciation as per CCA. As per CCA, already we have calculated depreciation as per CCA 10,500, 11,550, 12,705, 13,936. Same thing I have copied. This is the depreciation as per CCA. Now backlog depreciation. Backlog depreciation here I have calculated. See here, backlog depreciation is equal to depreciation for the year on the basis of current cost minus cumulative depreciation provided at the end of the last year. Year 1, first year there won't be any backlog depreciation. Always backlog depreciation will start from first year. Oh, second year, sorry. First year we don't have any backlog. So first year 0. Second year what is the current cost? 48,400. So 48,400 divided by 4 into 1. Because first backlog we are calculating for second year. Second year we are calculating first backlog. So multiply by 1. 48,400 divided by 4 into 1 minus cumulative depreciation of the previous year. Previous year cumulative depreciation is 11,000. So 48,400 divided by 4 minus 11,000. You will get 1,100. So 1,100 is the backlog depreciation. Now come to third year. Third year what is the current cost? 53,240. So 53,240 divided by 4 into 2. 53,240 divided by 4 into 2 minus 24,200. You will get 2,420. This is the backlog depreciation. Now 58,564 divided by 4 into 3 minus 39,930. You will get 3,993. 3,993 is the backlog depreciation. Over. Next thing is additional depreciation at the end of the year. Here additional depreciation means depreciation as per CC method at the end of the year minus depreciation as per CCA. Depreciation as per CCA here already we have calculated, right? So depreciation as per CC at the end of the year. At the current cost at the end of the year. This is the current cost. This will be divided by 4. So 44,000 divided by 4. This is the depreciation at current cost at the end of the year. At current cost at the end of the year. So 44,000 divided by 4 minus 10,500. Depreciation as per CCA 10,500. So 44,000 divided by 4, 11,000. 11,000 minus 10,500, 500. 44,400. Here it is 44,400. Divided by 4 minus 11,550, 550. 53,240 divided by 4 minus 12,705. Here it is 12,705. 605. 58,564 divided by 4 minus 13,976. 665. This is the additional depreciation to be provided every year. Lastly, WDV at the end of the year. Simply WDV at the end of the year means the current cost at the end of the year minus cumulative depreciation at the end of the year. Current cost at the end of the year is 44,000. Cumulative depreciation at the end of the year is 11,000. So 44,000 minus 11,000, you will get 33,000. Similarly, 48,400 minus 24,200, 24,200. 53,240 minus 39,930, 13,310. 58,564 minus 58,564, nil. Here calculations I have shown. So this is the WDV at the end of the year. So two problems I have completed on this CCA method. These two problems are regarding calculation of depreciation as per CCA and backlog depreciation. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video. Share my channel in your groups, in your friends, so that more students can watch the video. Give your comments, and lastly, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.